Protests in 2011 and the recall elections the following year, prompted by the law the governor pushed, eliminating most collective bargaining rights for many public workers.
We have the straight story tonight, and here it is. The justices ruled 5-2 today to uphold the law known as Act 10 in its entirety. It prohibits public worker unions from collectively bargaining for anything beyond base wage increases based on inflation. The lawsuit was filed by the Madison Teachers Union and Milwaukee Public Workers. In 2012, a Dane County judge sided with the unions and ruled that major portions of the law were unconstitutional. Today, the justices ruled that those portions are constitutional statewide. Now, Fox 11's Kelly Schlicht has been following reaction to this decision today. She joins us now with more. And Kelly, what are people in Northeast Wisconsin saying about the decision?
Michelle, this debate hasn't just played out in the courtrooms, and today's ruling is one that not everyone agrees with. Tonight, we have multiple views. The Wisconsin State Supreme Court has spoken, ruling Act 10 is constitutional. The 5-2 decision caps off a 3-year legal challenge. Justice Michael Gableman wrote for the majority. He said no matter the limitations or burdens a legislative enactment places on the collective bargaining process, collective bargaining remains a creation of legislative grace and not constitutional obligation. Governor Scott Walker told reporters in Milwaukee that he's pleased the law will be upheld.
This is an affirmation that what we did is legal, that it's constitutional, and I hope it's one of those that's kind of a move-on point.
Democratic State Senator Dave Hansen was among 14 legislators who left the state during the collective bargaining debate in 2011. He says the law continues to harm public workers.
So an agenda that took away a lot of the money from the public employees, but more importantly, took away their right to be at the table to talk about safety conditions and seniority and the rest.
However, the Brown County Taxpayer Association says Act 10 helps taxpayers.
It was really an affirmation of our system of checks and balances. It's gone through the courts now, and game over.
The Green Bay Education Association says it knew the ruling was coming, but says it is still disappointing.
It was something that was somewhat expected. We believe that regardless of any law or ruling, unions will continue to exist.
Those for and against Act 10 all agree this ruling fuels debates heading into a contentious election season this November. Kelly Schlicht, Fox 11 News.